time to do the fix-up. So, just had a delivery, and all of this stuff is going to go into making the Slash worth running again, or running again. So, I guess we can start out with making the servo horn fit, because right now, its general state, it doesn't. So, also, what I think we're gonna have to do is, the wheels are turning a bit, so I think we should position it up, and I think it'll fit that way. So, let me get our tools. So what we're gonna need is some assorted Allen wrenches and a screwdriver. These are RC screws. They're for the low CG chassis. Come with the button screws, the tapered screws on the top, nuts, bolts, everything. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to get some. I'm so pumped about this. This is awesome. I've been waiting to do this. And this came even earlier than expected. Awesome. I'm probably going to post 2 videos in a day. Well, I gotta wait for more parts. But anyway, back to the build. Alright, now let's tune the steering up a bit. Make sure it's straight. Guys, you don't know how happy I am. This is amazing. This is my first 1/10 scale RC car. I am just super excited for this to be done. Listen to this. This thing is gonna go. I am so happy and so excited. Alright, so this is a couple of days later. I have the pinion gear in. I've got one of my 3-cell lipos. I just bought batteries, they're 2 cells, and they should be here. So let's pop it in. It should be here in a little bit. Pop it in. Doesn't quite fit too well, so you just kind of squish it in there and make sure not to pinch any wires. So now, power on the controller. And this thing is, I've done a couple of upgrades to this. I put GTR shocks on, low CG chassis and stuff like that. So this thing is gonna rip. So let's get it out to the street. God. This thing is crazy fast. Need to tune the TSM up a bit. So, God. Woo! It's just insanity. Wow. I love this thing. I adjusted the slipper clutch and stuff, and I broke a drive shaft this morning. So I'm gonna have to get another spare because I used my spare one. I broke a lot of drive shafts, let me tell you. I have the steel ones on the back. They hold up really well. They're really nice too. Really nice everything on this. The reason I'm not going full throttle for very long is because once it wheelies, air gets up into the bottom and it just parachutes. So it's not, I mean, you could do big jumps on it. It's just cut holes in the body. I did here, but that's mainly for cooling. And this body is pretty destroyed. Spin back around. Holy crap. Well, I pulled a hole into the body here, so came with these body washers, so I'm just gonna replace it on top. Try not to way overdo it. I mean, it's like 105 out today, and this doesn't have a fan, so I'm probably not gonna be out here for long. But man, does this thing rip. So, thanks for tuning in, and I guess I'll probably have a Desert Racer video up in the next 24 hours, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.